Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the 15th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word, and now we will start the content for this video. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. So without wasting our time, we'll move on to the content. Our first word is subterfuge, and it is a noun. Meaning of this word is a secret that is usually dishonest way of behaving. That is dishonest way of behaving. And the synonyms are trick, deception, deceit. Example is, he wasn't sick, it was just a subterfuge. That means he was not sick, but it's just a trick to show that he is sick. See the picture, how a man showing that he is using a mobile phone, but actually he is concentrate on other. So now move on to the sentences. First sentence is there is no reason to return to this subterfuge now. That means there is no reason to return this trick now. In the movie, a poor family living in a stifling semi-basement home uses subterfuge to get various jobs. That means in movie, a poor family who is living on semi-basement home uses the tricks to get various jobs. So our third sentence is, she decided to leave home and travel to New York City, a journey that required subterfuge and serendipity. So that means she decided to leave home and travel to the New York City, a journey which required a tricks, and serendipity means chance or good luck. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word, and these 5 sentences I will give 10-second pause that many viewers already know. You can read this word by pausing the video, and we will continue for the next word after the 10 seconds. So now next word is badger. That is a verb, and the meaning of this word is annoy persistently. That means annoying someone continuously. Synonyms are bug, pester, tease. Example is, stop badgering me, I will do it when I am ready. That means stop annoying me, I will do it when I will be ready. So see the picture how a man is annoying a girl. Sentences are, first sentence is, do I continue to badger the company and our caterer to place it on the left? Asking that, do I continue to asking the company or annoying the company and our caterer to place it on the left? Second sentence is, Mr. Sevilla badger his friend to get tested for the viruses. That means Mr. Sevilla saying annoying or telling his friend continuously to get tested for the virus. Third sentence is, several colleagues perceived to be friendly with me were badgered by co-worker. That means the several colleagues who friendly with me, they are annoying by co-workers. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. I will give 10-second pause, then we will continue for the next word. Now our next word is confront. That is a verb, and the meaning of this word is be face to face. Means facing someone. That also mean when you fight someone, you face someone. When you meet someone, you also face someone. That means facing one with another, that called confront. The synonyms are face, facing, and present. Example is, you must confront your problems, that you must face your problem. See the picture how two animals are fighting, confronting each other. Sentences are, first sentence is, inside the newsroom, the paper's chief editor, Lau Wai-kong, confronted police asking for their search warrant. That means inside the newsroom, the chief editor, Lau Wai-kong, facing police and asking for their search warrant. So second sentence is, she said the best approach is to educate rather than confront. She said that the best approach is to educate rather than facing. So third sentence is, here are some highlights of transportation challenges confronting the region. That means here are some highlight of transportation challenges that facing the region. Now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. I'll give 10-second pause, then we'll continue for the next word. So our next word is benevolent. That is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is generous or kind in providing aid to other. Aid means help. That means you are kind and generous to help other. The synonyms are charitable, beneficent, and generous. Example is, he lived in a benevolent society. That means he lived in a kind and generous society where everyone helped to each other. See the picture that shows the benevolent character. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is, even when it is benevolent, there is a shock to it. That means even when it is a kind, there is also a shock to it. Second sentence is, as for himself, Andre said, I am a benevolent attacker. There is no malicious intent. For himself, Andre is saying that he is a benevolent attacker. That means he is a kind and generous attacker and there is no harmful intention. Third sentence is, we recognize that there are many Mississippians whose pride in the current flag is benevolent. That means we recognize that there are many Mississippians who pride in the current flag, which is kind, generous. Now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Same thing, I will give the 10-second pause, then we will continue for the next word. So now next word is humility. It is a noun and the meaning of this word is the quality of being humble. That means kind. Quality of being kind, humble, or helping others. Synonyms is humbleness, and the antonyms are conceit, vanity, pride. Example is, he was filled with humility. That means he was filled with humbleness. See the picture how a young man helping an old lady. Now move on to the sentences. First sentence is, the humility was very deep and the humility was part of his non-violence, Norton said. Norton said that humbleness was very deep and the humbleness was also a part of the non-violence. If done with humility, an open mind and open heart, this stuff work. That means if done with humbleness, that defines as an open mind and an open heart. And one thing I tell you guys, when something is added on a 2 comma, that show the characteristics of the previous word. That means the sentence an open mind and open heart is put under the 2 commas that show the characteristics of humility or definition of humility. So learn this and it will make you easy to understand the sentence. So you can also read it as, if done with humility, humbleness, this stuff works. Third sentence is, his humility is rare. He never acts like he knows more than anyone else. That means his humbleness is very less rare and he never acts like that he knows anyone. Now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. I will give 10-second pause for this, then we will continue. So guys, this much only for this video. We'll continue for the next part. And guys, if you need any help, then comment below down. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching our video.